Berry Avionics is excited to have partnered with DIT University to set up a center of excellence in drone technology. Recently, we held a capacity building program for the university's professors. Our goal was to provide practical, hands-on training to over 16 teachers, giving them the latest knowledge and skills in drone technology. We used advanced drones and assembly kits to make the training both fun and effective. The program included engaging lectures where our instructors shared important insights and knowledge about drones. These sessions were designed to give the teachers a deeper understanding of drone technology. The practical sessions were a major highlight. Teachers got to assemble and program and fly drones themselves, unlocking a new skill for them. Berry Avionics supplied its educational drones and provided training. The training program was a big success. It not only equipped the teachers with essential skills, but also laid the groundwork for a thriving center of excellence at DIT University. We invite you to explore Berry Avionics training programs and join us in shaping the future of education and technology. Berry Avionics, unmanned, unbound, unparalleled.